Chris, we're here in Southern Manufacturing. What are we going to talk about today?
Well, really just to let everybody know that apart from we're well known for doing drilling, milling, tapping and so on, we also in the UK manufacture and retip PCD and CBN cutting tools. So we have the full facility from design. So if somebody gave us a component drawing, we can fully design a diamond tool. We can test it, we can print it, 3D print it in plastic, just to show the concept.
As a concept design.
And then we can go ahead and make the tool. Again, we can actually 3D print metal, so we can do the printed bodies, but we can also do carbide bodies with the PCD brazed and then wired to the form required.
That's amazing. So you 3D print these, and obviously it's got like a little diameter on that you can clock up on, make sure you're accurate.
Yes.
Because it's all about your run out and accuracy with your PCD cutters.
Absolutely, yeah. It has to be absolutely spot on with PCD. And all of the tools, everyone is also balanced as well, and a balance report.
So that maintains your balance, so you've not got any kind of vibration when you're running at high surface speeds. What kind of surface speeds can you achieve with PCD cutters?
We tend to find that it's the machine tool that hits the limit long before the tool does, to be fair.
Yeah, that's amazing. I mean, tooling's come along quite a long way anyway, that I think generally tooling is always going to be, is never going to be the limiting factor anymore, but PCD especially so.
Yeah, I mean, on average, you can run a PCD tool a lot faster than a normal carbide. Rough sort of figures, it'll normally last about 10 times longer than carbide as well. So although it's a big investment up front, if it's for big volume production, it's the way to go.
That's brilliant. So who comes to you with a PCD cutter? Is it just the big companies or do some SMEs come?
No, historically, it's always been the big automotives, the high volume producers that have used the PCD tools. But because the setup to make the carbide body is quite expensive, we've now found that by doing 3D printed bodies, we can actually reduce the setup time. So we can manufacture 1 and 2 offs in PCD at very good competitive prices.
Brilliant. So PCD actually has kind of been opened up by Guhring and yourselves to a wider market.
Absolutely, yes.